Hello and welcome to another how-to video. Today I'll be showing you how to reset your Nescafé Dolce Gusto coffee machine when the power button has turned orange. Let me show you the problem. Turn it on. So it flashes red as normal and then it should go green. But as you can see, it's gone orange. Now when it's orange, you can't actually use it. Now the orange light means that it thinks you need to descale your coffee machine, and it happens after 300 cups have been made. But if you've already descaled it, or you think it doesn't need to be descaled, or you don't want to descale it, then I'll show you how to reset that. So what you need to do is turn it off, then hold down the power button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it should flash orange and green. And then you just turn it off. And then when you turn it back on, it should then be okay. And that's how to reset your Nescafé Dolce Gusto coffee machine when you get the orange light issue. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.